Your digital life is complicated. You may have calendars and email on your smartphone, documents and contacts on your tablet, music and movies on your laptop at home, and even more files on your computer at work. With all this data and all of your friends spread across multiple gadgets, operating systems, and networks, it can be overwhelming to interact with your world the way that you want. Soon, there will be a simple way to bring all of these things together, allowing you to access all of your data and connect with the people you care about, anywhere, at any time, without complexity. Now, you've heard all this before, but this is more than just storing documents and media files. This is your entire digital life, available anywhere you are, on any device, without any membership fees or corporate servers, ever. You probably have many single-purpose apps on your computer at home or the phone in your pocket, but that's just it. They do only one thing. What if it was possible to have one single app that did everything without invasive advertising? Now, there is. The Slipstream effortlessly meshes all your devices together so they act like one giant personal computer without any corporate servers, available everywhere, making it easy to access your stuff. Want to stream a file from your home computer on your phone? Done. Need to make dinner reservations for you and some friends and let them know where to be and when? Double done. If you can imagine it, chances are the Slipstream can do it. So how does this all work? Well, we use intelligent algorithms. Imagine it like this. Say you take the decision-making software from a Mars rover, the same technology that Google's using for their self-driving cars, and then modify it to run on the devices you use every day. Add a user interface to get things done, and voila! You have the Slipstream.
The Slipstream uses an open-source description language called Proteus and layers 3 types of descriptions, or models as we call them. A model you can think of as a virtual computer description of different things. So the first type of model that it uses is models of the things that you want to interact with. This could be your music files, your video files, Word documents, it could be your friends, it could be a whole lot more than that too. And the second type of model the Slipstream uses is models of the resources that you have access to. This is your smartphone, your tablet, your home computer, your laptop, and it creates a description of what these devices are and the resources that they have access to. So that's the storage space, the processing power. You can also potentially borrow or use your friend's storage space and processing power if they allow you to, and it creates a distributed computer out of all of these devices. So you have your own network, so you can easily access and move your files around, interact and engage with them the way that you want to. And the third type of model that it creates is models of the user interface. So how you want to engage with your technology. This could be point and click with a mouse in Windows, could be command line prompt, could be touchscreen interface, and if you hook it up to your Kinect, you could do really cool gestural stuff. You could also do stuff like voice recognition and speech pattern.
Proteus takes advantage of a cool thing about the universe, which is that there's this connection between things that have state, like people or stars or atoms, and information. And the connection is this little equation that 256 states is a byte of information. They're the same thing. So what Proteus does is it tracks the way information flows through physical systems, whether it's two people talking to each other, or the information flowing through the pedals of a bike, into the chain, into the wheel, into the ground to push the bike forward. By modeling these ways, the ways that information flows through these systems, Proteus can actually figure out that this action would do one thing and this action would do another thing, and that's how it does all the cool things for you.
With the Slipstream, you'll have access to everything you need, whenever you need it, wherever you are. The Slipstream is also OS independent, so you can use it on any of the devices you have access to. Tablets, phones, computers. It'll work on everything. Surf the Slipstream today. To learn more and be notified when the Slipstream is available, just fill out the form on our website.